They put some over certain. By the way, he probably did this sounded so accurate. Oh, like, you know, come to the party, I'll get you fit.
Alright, here we go. Frick. What was that? I'm gonna check my cameras.
After what felt like an eternity of waiting, the boys finally left the kitchen.
It looks clear. Okay, here we go. I think we're clear. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. What is this? Beef? Oh, this is the freezer. Please be our fridge. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Yes, 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 yes. Bro has half-eaten pancakes in here.
So good.
Now that I'm like decently well-fed, my main mission is just to spend my last little bit here messing with all their stuff. All right, Lacey's out in the yard right now. Oh, this might be my